Muhammad Ali had a reputation for his positive and motivational outlook on life. His words can inspire us all. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee.
Be gentle in your daily actions and being, remain soft to those around you, those you care about. But do not be afraid to whip out ferocious strength when the time calls for it. Don't count the days. Make the days count. So often we let life pass by as we struggle to get a good grip on things. Ali reminds us to take the reins into our own hands so that we make the most of every moment, rather than waiting for moments to fall into our laps.
Impossible is temporary. Impossible is nothing. If you try hard enough and believe with all your might, anything is possible. If my mind can conceive it, if my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. When there's a will, there's a way. Ali's success was, without a doubt, a concrete indication that our dreams can always come true, so as long as we believe in them ourselves. I am the greatest. I said that even before I knew I was. Imagine where you want to be before you get there, not after. A man who has no imagination has no wings. Self-confidence is by far the way to knowing that we will do great things. The problem is that we sometimes fall into the trap of thinking we aren't good enough for them.
See you in the next video with another episode of Muhammad Ali Inspirational Quotes. So please don't forget to subscribe your channel Quotara.